Okay, I'm gonna walk down all the way to the lighthouse. Probably like maybe, I don't know, 20-minute walk. But today they said I guess the cruise line was here today, so they come every Monday and Tuesday. So I don't know, there should be a lot more people out today. The stores are open, so we shall see. So far the weather is good. They said it's going to rain about 3 o'clock. Right now it's like, what, 10:30 or so? Not too humid out here. Nice and warm. Here's a hotel. Manoa? And this is where I'm staying at right here. Alright, I was just talking to the guy right now. He was saying the ship is going to come in here in about 30 minutes or so. They're only here from, he said 11 to 3, so it should get a little bit busy. That's why there's nobody here yet. But this is the beach club that I'm at. I don't know if they have the nets for the seaweed, but I don't know if you can see the water, but it's clear. I was in it yesterday. It's warm. Okay, back on the road. Oh, no, gracias. There's ladies massage. No, gracias. Gracias. Last night I was walking down here and everything was pretty much closed. There's a little beach club.
Buenos días,
Buenos días. Ah, no, gracias. Okay, gracias. Been in this area once. It was super humid.
¿Servicio de masaje?
Ah, no, gracias. Ah, no, gracias.
¿Gusta ir de pesca?
Rolex.
Sí, ¿quiere correr? Solo, sin compromiso.
Ah, no, gracias.
Algo para la suegra.
No, gracias.
Hola, buen día, servicio de masaje, amigos.
Ah, no, gracias. Everybody trying to sell you stuff here on the street, which is, I knew that was going to happen. They're ready for business today.
Cigar, amigos, cigar, babe.
Everybody trying to get the hustle on. Crazy lobsters. Apparently this is one of the better restaurants here. I haven't eaten here, but it's apparently got a decent rating here. Eat, go for a swim.
Hermano, aquí es para un drink.
Ah, no, gracias.
Colada aquí es, bienvenido.
Okay, this is where all the seaweed, where they throw all the seaweed at. It doesn't smell very good. So, if you're gonna eat, don't eat next to this place. When I came by here last night, right here, there was a whole bunch of, it was a pile of a whole bunch of seaweed right here. I guess they picked it up this morning, but this is where they throw it, and then they pick it up, I guess in the morning or something like that. But I see there's a pile straight over there. But this is where it's at. I'm thinking that's why the nets are for the seaweed. But it stinks bad. So whatever you don't eat near this. And as you can tell, look at the water. It's like brown. And here's the pile right here. Okay, now you can't smell the seaweed anymore. So, oh, I see the ship. This guy's getting ready for business. Well, here's some more seaweed. I don't know, whatever you do, don't stay at this place. Everybody come over here and party? They don't want to walk farther down? Where everybody gets drunk for 4 hours?
Franklin! Franklin! Appreciate it.
Okay, so I made it to the lighthouse. Catch a cab here if you want a cab.